Palakpakan dyan mga kaibigan sa makina. Okay? Oh. Kapayag langit kayo. Dapat masaya tayo. Hindi, alam ko na. Sabi nga ni JR, first time kong maisayaw ang mama ko sa araw ng kasal ko. JR, talk to your mama. Simply say, Mama, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Papa. I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much for all your love and support you have given to me. No? Don't you worry, Mama. Hindi ka nawalan ng JR. Diba? Pagkus natagdagan ka na ng bagong member ng pamilya, si Mrs. Laima Macaraeg. You member of our family. No?
And you know you can survive. So when you feel like home is gone, look inside you and be strong. And you finally see the truth that he has.
Oh, diba? JR is so proud of his mama. Okay, at this juncture. Okay, ito, next tayo, guys, no? Here we go. Our next part will be the gratitude dance with the bride together with her papa naman. O yun, okay. Papa Ismael.